Ready? Okay, I'm gonna put the song on. Yeah.
Funny Stuff 2. Alright, I've changed a lot. I probably can't sing About My Pony again, and I at least remember the song. But I'm gonna do what I did last time. Rapping. Yeah. Alright. I burn fire like quicksand. Your mom eat the quicksand. Your mama sucks dick, but I don't think she quicksand. I'm more like quicksand. I dig you in, then I kill you. Man, I don't just kill you, I eat you up inside, then I turn you apart. Yo, you think I'm Bart? Yo, I'm pretty smart. I used to get whipped by little people too, and I used to whip your mom like with the banzu, the danzu. The people messing with me, but I know you can't sue, cause I haven't laid a hand on you. If you want me to, then I'll kill you. Hit me first, then I'll have to hit you, dude. And if you mess with me, yes it is. I don't give stuff, but I know my kids, and it's like born and rich actor stuff, but I know I don't really give stuff. I don't really give stuff. My little pony fell on his nose, broke his nose. He was only 3 months old. He was a smart one too.